Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chopstrand Audio. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for subscribing. This is already video number 44 in my Roland TR-8S video tutorial series, and this time I want to explain and show the mysteries of the tune knob. So I was about to create a new track and I used the tune knob and saw 16 steps on the Roland TR-8S to create a little melody. So I used the A and F note, and I found it really hard just to pinpoint the notes with the tune knob. So you have the range goes from -128 to +128. So let's say the A note is -53 and the F note is like, let's say, +23 or something. So it is really hard to hear the correct notes. So unless you have a really good ear. So I hooked up the TR-8S to Ableton and used the inbuilt tuner to exactly pinpoint the values of the tune knob to the notes. So I made a little drawing here, and I also show the drawing at the end of the video, and then you can make a screenshot from it. It is really helpful. So it took me like half an hour just to go through and to pinpoint those values to the notes. So let's have a look. Alright, so first I have to say I assigned my hand clap here to our OSC sine high. This is a really nice clean sound where you can actually hear the notes properly. So the second thing is the decay needs to be all the way up, and we have the tune knob on the left side completely down, and only the first step here is activated. Okay, so then have a listen here. Really simple sound. And when we turn our tune knob here, so let's imagine you want to create a little melody here with a motion record. It is really hard to actually assign the steps with, like, let's say we want to have here B, and then the next step is like, let's say, an E, and you need a really good ear for this, as I said. So when you open Ableton and you assign the to your audio track the tuner, as you can here see on the screen here, there is a really nice tuner, and it shows you exactly the note. Let's say we start here again on our tune knob completely down on the left, and it's a nice clear C. So, and when we go up now, you see like the middle here is kind of C again, a little bit backwards. It's really hard to get it direct, like, okay, then and when we go all the way up to the right side fully, it's a C again. It's really high. So just press stop here. That means we have C here on the right, and then we have another C in the middle and another C here completely on the left. So that means, obviously, we are in between, like, we have 2 octaves. So I just show you my little drawing here. So I make it a little bit bigger for you so you can see. So our tune knob is on the left and all the way down, and this is our C4. And when we go up, our next note is D, and then E, F, G, A, B, and then another C. That's the middle position. That's our C5. And then when we go all the way to the right, you see we have until it goes to C6. So, and here on the bottom, it's a whole keyboard. And our instrument here, we use like the OSC sine high instrument, tone or sound, whatever you call it. This is exactly here. It starts at C4 and then it goes up. Here's our middle C, and then it goes all the way until C6, as you see here. And then I made this section a little bit bigger here, and then you see exactly C4, D4, E4, F4, and then G4, A4, and all the way through. So this applies only to our OSC sine high, unfortunately. So when we go back to our TR-8S and we choose, let's say, instead of the OSC high, we choose OSC sine low. So this is really deep. You probably don't hear this on your phone when you watch the video on your phone. You need like the speakers or earphones or something. And then yeah, so in this case here, left all the way down is another C again. As you see here, this would be the same position here, and then all the way up here. So, but it is not, definitely not our range from C4 to C6. This will be probably C1, and it goes all the way up to here C1, all the way up to C3, or maybe even lower. So yeah, but it is a really good like let's say you just use another sound, as I said, and it's really handy. The little drawing, you know the middle position is a C, and the left one completely is a C as well, and yeah, super simple. So you just remember those numbers here, like the tune -107 is roughly like a D. So -107, so it is actually really hard to just go completely like straight on that. Yeah, as you see, it's super sensitive. So yeah, this is definitely a D now. And when we move our little drawing here aside, you see here on our tuner, this is a D. So this works pretty good. So yeah, that's actually basically it. At the end of my video here, I will put up the little drawing a little bit bigger, and then you can make a screenshot from it or print it out or something. And then when you want to make a melody, you have exactly the tune notes here. So yeah, but as I said, it depends on the sound. When you go something like, let's say here, completely crazy, whatever, like OSC FM2, this is like, yeah, super like, yeah, the tuner is not that sure what it actually is. It goes to a C in the middle when it like fades out, but yeah, who knows what it really is like. This is maybe a C in the beginning and then an F, and yeah, but you know, speaking about like you just want to use like clean notes, like let's say a piano sound or like a synth sound, clean one, then the little drawing is super helpful. All right, then thanks for watching, and leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing when you like my video. Then have a good day. See you later.